In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear sway bar link on a Subaru Forester. It's located underneath the rear of the vehicle. All right, we're underneath the rear of the vehicle. This is your sway bar link. Your sway bar link is held on by two 14mm nuts. You need to remove those. You can take a pair of pliers and hold the back side like this so the stud here doesn't spin while you're trying to take the nut off. Swing that out of the way, and now onto our bottom nut. Take your new sway bar link, install it on the bottom first. Put your nut on. Now you install your top and put that nut on. I'm taking a 14mm wrench and holding this from the back because there are two slots that a 14mm wrench will slide onto instead of using a pair of pliers. Do the same thing for the top. Once you have those snug down, both of those nuts get torqued at 33 foot-pounds. Then do the same process to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.